Stop designing solar systems blind. This tool lets you model multi-string configurations and predict every variable before construction starts. With PVBytes, you control all variables in one project dashboard. The software handles multi-string with multi-MPPT configurations for small and large-scale projects, including microinverters with proven simulation algorithms and complete performance analysis. You get detailed load user location solar irradiance data, load profiles, shading analysis, system losses, modules layout data, drawing of PV strings on Google Map, design of DC-AC circuits in accordance with NEC rules, PV module libraries, inverter databases, and automated schematic in PDF report. Whether you're planning residential or commercial installations, this eliminates design uncertainty. Your projects become more accurate, your clients more confident. Get started with PVBytes and transform how you approach solar design.